Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Mama Reseller? Yeah, y'all need to watch her videos. She is the markdown king, the Walmart markdown queen. You need to watch her videos. Have you ever heard of Big Buff in Glass City and Mess Hall Diggs defend the hustle on Friday nights? Have you ever heard of my boy, Big D, fundamentals of the side hustle, him and Regina Michelle? Yeah, on Wednesday night, Hump Day Hangout. Have you ever heard of my boys, Louie and Lewis? Yeah, Cali Reseller and the Lone Star Picker. Yeah, have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shaw? Have you ever heard of Nice Tea? Have you ever heard of my boy from North Carolina, South Carolina, wherever he's from? Well, I don't know. Yeah, Casey. Yeah. You need to watch his videos. He's the golf club king, y'all. Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. What the hell? Yeah, with this Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, y'all. I'm here at the car wash. It's another Sunday. Some vendors were supposed to show up, they didn't. Today my wife's birthday is November the 7th. Today her birthday, so we're going out to breakfast, so I didn't set up. But the owner of the car wash is here. You know, I'm gonna let him get on the phone. We're on the corner of Bermuda and Woodstock here in Normandy. Let me talk to this owner. He set up his barbecue setup over here. Let me turn you around. Yeah, so he set up his barbecue over here. Yeah, so we're finna talk to him for a minute. He on the phone. He on the phone right now. But let me show you. The vendors. This is all where the vendors hang out at. Yeah, all these spots over here. See these spots? So pretty soon we're gonna keep on digging, and pretty soon we're gonna have this place full. We're gonna advertise and stuff like that. But the owner of the car wash let me set up here on Sundays, and hopefully, I don't know what's going on, but about 5 vendors were supposed to be here today, and they didn't show up. They had some stuff, the people I knew had stuff going on yesterday, but they didn't show up today, so maybe they tired from yesterday, I don't know. They didn't call me or nothing, but I don't care. We're gonna keep on rolling. This is on this second week. You know, his granddaughter was supposed to be here. She sell t-shirts and stuff like that. She make t-shirts and stuff. So let me talk to the owner right quick. Dude, what's going on?
What's up, big
Woo! He do tires, car wash,
yep,
and everything.
That's
tell him your bit. Oh, let's go this way. That sun in the way.
Okay.
Hey, tell him what you do, big dog. See his colors match. Look, he got the colors matching this car wash.
I gotta do
Yeah.
it.
They'll go PJKS car wash, y'all, and DJ.
Jake's.
No, I couldn't put that A in there. But anyway, P and Jake's. So it's called Jake's. I'll just say JKS. That's what I've been saying. So it's Jake's. Okay.
Anyway, everybody pronounce it different.
Okay, y'all. We're on the corner of
Bermuda Woodstock.
Woodstock. Tell them what you do here.
We do tires. We wash cars. We do details. Basically, we do any type of tire. Details start at $125. That's for a small
complete
car.
detail, right?
That's complete.
Take the seats
everything.
out. Take the seats
we
out.
Don't pull the seats out.
Okay.
But we completely clean. I mean, from the front to the back,
Yeah.
in the trunk and everything.
They take the seats out. It's gonna be more.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a different price.
And then we do wax, of course, with the detail. But we do all different things. I mean, we got several different prices for the things that we're doing, and with the tires. That's pretty much it. And we try to barbecue up here every other weekend.
Okay, well, this sponsor the P and Jake's let us set up here. So it's his car. It's the name of the flea market, P and Jake's, the P and Jake's Flea Market, sponsored by Pickin in the Hood. It's 3 sponsors. Pickin in the Hood 2. We got Dion's Things, and we got 911 Handyman Service, the sponsors of this flea market. And he generous letting us do it. So I'm gonna thank him for letting us do it. Thanks, dude.
Oh yeah.
For letting us do this.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully it'll pick up pretty soon.
Yes,
he got some barbecue over here. Let me show y'all what's on this grill. Can I open the grill right quick? Let me show y'all what's on this grill. Y'all come over here, get y'all a little meal. He got chicken wings, hot dogs. Look at that. Smoking too. Chicken wings, hot dogs, hot links. These is boys over here. They want to be called boys, but I got my boys with me. I'm just saying, I got my boys with me. They work with me all the time. You know, we still old, but hey, we getting out there. We can beat any young man doing anything. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, y'all? Young people, I'm just saying, young people don't know how to hustle. I'm just saying, we grew up hustling. Now, I don't know about them, but I did. I grew up hustling. Man, you look like you're 22 though. You know what I'm saying? You look like one of the young. I thought I was talking about you on here. I'm just saying, young dude. I'm just saying, you're a young man. Yeah. But anyway, y'all. Y'all check this out. Y'all come over here and check this out. We get ready to throw down over here pretty soon. At least by the summer, we're gonna pick up and everybody gonna be over here. So this gonna be the place to be. Hey, y'all take it easy. Have a good Sunday. I'm finna go take my wife out to breakfast. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to say, woo, that we pick in the hood too.